Welcome to Diamond Protec's nanodiamond composite coatings. You've selected Diamond Glass Kit, our one-year kit for glass surfaces. This kit includes prepared application supplies that are specifically selected to provide the highest quality performance. This does not require professional experience. Once applied, this combination of products will remove all dirt, streaks and oily residue before providing extreme repellency of water, ice and dirt from glass surfaces while providing up to 1 year of hydrophobic protection. This kit includes Diamond Glass Prep with a spray head, Diamond Glass, our revolutionary nanodiamond coating technology, an applicator, a microfiber towel and a pair of gloves. Diamond Glass Prep has a very simple application. Work out of direct sunlight on cool glass. Spray onto the glass surface and wipe the surface clean. Flip the towel over and dry off the surface. Your surface is now ready for diamond glass coating. Diamond glass is applied in 4 easy steps. Drip onto the applicator. Apply to the glass surface. Wait 10 to 15 minutes and then polish off to remove the excess material. The glass is now ready for any weather condition with a longevity rating of 1 year. Mastering the mixing of enriched nanodiamonds for over 7 years, Diamond Protec has created an evenly distributed diamond armored elastic coating with inherent hydrophobic characteristics, offering cars a new revolutionary coating option. It's heat-resistant, UV-resistant, water-repellent and provides the highest surface hardness and abrasion resistance that technology can offer. It also resists corrosion because it's inorganic, thereby having a slower erosion time than any other competitive product. This is the new generation of car protection, exterior and interior. For full step-by-step instructions on how to apply diamond glass, click the link below.